we want to write the square root of a as I and then the square root of a. So our first example, we have the square root of negative 81. So first thing we can do, again, we can go ahead and break this apart. This will be the square root of negative 1 times 81, which is also equal to the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 81. And we know again that the square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So we can write I, and the square root of 81 is 9. So we can go ahead and write 9. And a further way that we can reduce this is just saying 9i. Okay, so for example number 2, again, let's break this apart. Square root of negative 1 times 55, which is also equal to the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 55. Again, we know that the square root of negative 1 is equal to I, so we can say I, and then we cannot further reduce the square root of 55, so we can just leave it as the square root of 55. Okay, let's look at our third example here. Again, break it apart. Square root of negative 1 times 98. This is equal to the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 98 equal to I. And then let's go ahead and further break down the square root of 98. So, square root of 98, we can say 49 times 2, and then further break this down into 7 times 7, and we have a pair here. So to further reduce this, what we can say, this is equal to 7i, and then the square root of 2.